Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Hongdae Boy on Dress to Impress. This is inspired by obviously Sean Solo, the guy who says, "Excuse me, are you open-minded?" Anyways, are you guys open-minded? Leave it in the comment section down below. Well, let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything. I did use a custom face, but you can use the ones that they have here. I don't know which one you would use, so maybe this one. I don't know. But I used these eyes, and then I used these brows. For the mouth, I used this one, and for the nose, I used this one, and for the contour, I used this. For the hair, I obviously used this one. This is the classic Hongdae hair, and I kind of lifted it up a little bit so it doesn't cover the eyes. For the outfit, it's super simple. You don't need VIP for this, but if you... Okay, I'll talk about it later, but I'm just going to select these, this jacket, the shirt in black, and then these jeans in black, and then these shoes in all black as well. And then obviously to complete the look, you need the iPhone Pro Max 16. Oh my god, I can't do the Hongdae way, but that is it. That is how you can create a Hongdae Boy on Dress to Impress. I've been seeing this a lot on my For You page, and I'm like, why not, you know? I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!